Hi guys, this is Dr. Huertas from Kaplan Chiropractic. This week we're focusing on adjustments. It's really important in our practice to know what we do because we're not just here to make your body crack everywhere. We're actually making your body feel great and so it can heal from the inside out. So one of the adjustments that I love to perform on my patients, especially in females, is an adjustment that I do for this upper area here. Why? We carry all our stress in our shoulders, so this area specifically in females tends to be really tight. So this adjustment not only release the lower part of their neck, but also that upper part of your back that will cause some headaches if you don't take care of that area. Okay? So the first thing I do, patient is facing down. I put this area down so that we can create a little bit more flexion on their neck. And then I place my hand right here and my other arm here. Then I move the head this way. It's already there. I don't do anything else with my hand. Most of the movement is going to come from this arm. This hand in this area. Okay? Simple as that. Okay? And then we do the same thing on the opposite side. Here. Simple as that. Okay? It's a really simple adjustment and it relieves so much stress that we carry in our shoulders. So if you want to learn more about all the different adjustments we do here, just give us a call. Bye.